gonna help escort the baby out, right? So you're gonna do the push. You're gonna be the contraption pushing.
At first, I was like, how am I gonna do it? Like, if like what hand movements I have to use.
So you can just pull it out. All right, there we go. All right.
Overall, I think it was a good experience to like see that simulation. What they just taught like gave me a more knowledge about the sexual reproduction.
Your baby get its nutrients from. So wherever you eat fries, burgers, fruits, vegetables. All them nutrients from that is going to come from through the placenta, and it's going to feed the baby through the umbilical cord.
Have you guys ever seen like babies with those little helmets? It's because either they're like they laid too much on their like head and it's like flat, or like whenever the baby came out, they didn't like shift it into a full circle.
Y'all coming here was like a good experience, and it helped me a lot learn more about like the sexual reproduction, all that.
Boom.
I didn't know some of the things that were being taught, but as now I got a more clarity of them,